What if I told you, you can turn any ordinary photo into a stunning, scroll-stopping design in under 2 minutes? No plugins. No complicated tools. Just pure creativity inside Affinity by Canva. Today, we're creating a clean and modern clipping mask design step by step. Step 1. Import image. Start by importing your image. Go to File Import, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+M, Windows, or Command+Shift+M, Mac. Step 2. Add glow effect. Select your image layer. Go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. Set brightness around 26%. Contrast around 43%. This gives your image a soft glow and boosts visibility. Now drag and apply the adjustment directly onto your image. Step 3. Create shapes. Select the Shape Builder tool, choose a rounded rectangle, and draw a medium vertical shape. Adjust the corner roundness to get that smooth, modern look. Step 4. Duplicate and arrange. Rotate the shape slightly to the right. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate it once. Then press Ctrl+J, Windows, or Command+J, Mac, about 6 times. Now adjust and align the shapes so they flow nicely across your image. Step 5. Group shapes. Select all shapes and group them using Ctrl+G, Windows, or Command+G, Mac. Step 6. Create clipping mask. Right-click the grouped shapes and select Create Clipping Mask. Or simply drag the shapes into the image layer. Boom! That's the magic moment. Step 7. Add stroke and depth. Now go inside your image layer and duplicate the shapes twice using Ctrl/Command+J. Move these duplicates outside and rename them 1 and 2. Select Group 1, then enable Stroke, then set Size to 1 and Color to white. Select Group 2, then change color to red. Then move it slightly left and down. After that, open Group 2, change the top shape color to light green. Reduce opacity of the other shapes to about 35%. Now you've got depth, contrast, and a professional layered effect. You can enhance your design by adding elements like text, shapes, and lines to make it more eye-catching and visually appealing. And just like that, you've created a high-end clipping mask design. If you want more clean, faceless design tutorials like this, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share this with someone leveling up their design game. See you in the next one.